Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Another factor to be noted is that this time a good bit of wheat has been purchased directly by the consumers and the roller floor mills. Stop. This facility was not available last year. Stop. In fact, as a result of this, as the Honorable Minister himself has admitted, the availability this year is better. Stop. This has also reduced the burden on the public distribution system. Stop. Therefore, the policy at work has neither fully succeeded nor can it be said that it has wholly failed. Stop. There are both negative and positive features. Stop. I would strongly urge upon the government not to take panicky action and drastically revise the policy at this juncture. Stop. The current policy should be given a longer lease of life so that all the implications became evident and both authorities and public know what is what. Stop. In this connection, I wish to suggest to Honorable Minister, who had already shown his dynamism in a short while after being entrusted with the portfolio of food, to impress upon the state governments to pull their weight in making government's policy a success. Stop. What is heartening more than anything else is that the Prime Minister is taking direct interest in the problem. Stop. She has gone round the country, and I know that her visits have spurred not a few chief ministers to put their own administrative machinery in order. Stop. Sir, the Agriculture Prices Commission proposed that the procurement prices of wheat should be rupees 20 more per quintal than last year's prevailing prices. Stop. But due to pressure and demand put forward by rich farmers and big traders, to which the chief ministers of Haryana and Punjab also lent their support, the price was fixed at rupees 105 per quintal. Stop. Now this price is much more than what the Agricultural Prices Commission suggested. Stop. The wholesalers were permitted to operate in the market on the understanding that they will procure 50% for the government and the balance will be sold in the open market. Stop. The general belief is that the commitment has not been fulfilled. Stop. Sir, before I close, I wish to sound a note of caution. International exports have already hoisted distress signal on the food front. Stop. It will be unrealistic to ignore this distress signal and to expect that temporary scarcities can be made good by imports, because the availability of world itself may sharply decline. Stop. If we are to be self-reliant, then it is in the field of agriculture that we must first concentrate. Stop. As our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru often used to say, first thing come first. Stop. Hence, neither the government nor political parties nor different economic groups should confuse the issue by putting forth the argument that unless many things are done simultaneously, even the highest priority project cannot be operable. Stop. While the argument is valid to some extent, it has the greatest danger. Stop.